Today we're going to dive into a truly enchanted topic for all our vegan beauty lovers, creating your very own vegan lip balm. This episode is dedicated to guiding you through a simple yet effective homemade recipe, perfect for keeping your lips moisturized and happy, the vegan way. Today's recipe is a blend of natural vegan-friendly ingredients, meticulously measured to total exactly 100 grams. This ensures precise formulation and perfect consistency. So let's get right into our magical mixture. Candida wax 20 grams, coconut oil 25 grams, shea butter 15 grams, almond oil 35 grams, vitamin E oil 3 grams, essential oil like peppermint or orange 1.5 grams, natural colorant optional 0.5 grams. Now on to the enchanting process of creating this vegan lip balm. Start by adding all your ingredients except for the vitamin E oil, essential oil, and colorant to a double boiler. We'll be melting the candida wax, coconut oil, shea butter, and almond oil together. The double boiler method is excellent for gently melting this ingredient without overheating them. Keep the heat low and stir occasionally, ensuring everything melts into a harmonious blend. Once everything is melted and combined, it's time to introduce the vitamin E oil. This is not just a preservative, it's also a fantastic antioxidant that nurtures your lips. Then add your choosing essential oil for that burst of delightful fragrance and the natural colorant for a hint of tint. Mix everything well to ensure the vitamin E, essential oil, and colorant are evenly distributed throughout the balm. Now comes the final satisfying step. Pouring the mixture into lip balm tubes or small jars. Do this carefully, and once done, allow them to cool and set, and there you have it, your very own homemade vegan lip balm. If you're keen on diving deeper into the world of cosmetic formulation and want to craft retail-grade beauty products, don't forget to visit stablecosmeticformulas.com. Our courses and resources are perfect for honing your formulation skill, whether you're starting out or looking into expand your expertise. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. We have so much more to share with you, and we don't want you to miss out on any of our upcoming content. Thanks for joining us today in creating this lovely vegan lip balm. Remember, the essence of green beauty is not just about what we put on our skin, but also about the choices we make to protect our planet. Keep exploring, stay inspired, and let your inner green beauty chemist shine. Until next time, keep creating and stay naturally beautiful.